Namaste. So today I'm going to speak something very important about coronavirus. And I'm going to tell you everybody that it's not coronavirus, it's not COVID-19, it's CCP virus, Chinese Communist Party virus. We all have to remember that this is a self-made product of Chinese. They have made it from the biology and they have spread it all across the nation. It is only the Chinese are responsible for this pandemic virus. The whole world is suffering because of the Chinese. Not only the minorities, the whole world is suffering. If you look at the Tibetan scenarios, Tibetans are suffering every day. Till now, 154 Tibetans have burned their bodies for the sake of freedom, for the sake of liberty, for the sake of equality, for the sake of Tibetan identity. But Tibetans are every day suffering day and night. And also Hong Kong. People are always suffering under the brutal leadership and dictatorship of the Chinese authorities. Do you guys have any mercy? Nowadays, whole world is suffering just because of you, Chinese. I'm going to tell you a very simple and clear message directly to the Chinese Communist Party authorities that now the time has come. You have to change your mindset. You have to change your rules and regulations. You have to change your constitution. You have to abide it. You have to accept your mistake. Now is the crucial time. We all are suffering just because of you. In India, for example, the case has been increasing more and more day by day. And there are so many problems regarding doctors, ventilators, there's so many problems. If you look at the US is also facing gigantic problem because of you. Case has been increasing day by day. And also all across the nation. We all are facing so much problem that we are restricted under four walls because of you. We have no way to go because of you. If you haven't faced this problem, we are enjoying, we are having good time. We may be reading something, enjoying something, traveling something, exploring your vision, passion, interests, or something else. We may be doing something else, but we are not allowed to do anything right now. We are just restricted under one, space. Now what do we have to do? Now the time comes that we have to boycott as many as the products came from the Chinese. We have to boycott. For example, we can boycott TikTok. Instead, we can use other social media platforms through which we can raise the voice. Now is the crucial time. We have to remember it. We have to take an action. It is not that there's some country or some nation is suffering. We all are suffering. Now we have to be united, cooperated, and take measures against the Chinese brutal leadership. Now is the time. This is my sincere request to all the global leaders that now is the crucial time to take some precautive measures regarding this pandemic. Now is the time. We need some cooperation, solidarity to solve this pandemic issue. We all are suffering because of Chinese. So let us fight against Chinese and let us see after coronavirus. Let's see after coronavirus. Let us unite all together.
Tashidilek friends, I am Nirbhay Mishra and I am from India, and this is the pandemic which is going on, coronavirus, COVID-19, we all know, and the world is facing a very serious problem and almost all the major countries are under lockdown. So my only request to you all is, during this lockdown, kindly maintain as much safety as you can, safety measures. Second thing, utilize this lockdown while reading, developing studying new theories, developing new perspective. Keep on reading more, utilize these times, take this time as an opportunity to develop your multiple perspective and multiple shades of your character, as well as pray, support, use social media to promote welfare measure, as well as to influence the government and your society. And this time too shall pass. Keep praying for the world. I have full faith on medical professionals that they will surely find any cure. Till then, keep on reading, keep on studying, resist yourself by going outside, and do not leave your home. Take preventive measures and pray for a better world. Thank you so much.
Hello, Minglava. I'm Nhi from Myanmar. Today, it is irrefutable that world pandemic disease COVID-19 is an alarming crisis all over the world. In my country, there are 27 positive cases till now. However, it is an infectious disease caused by a new coronavirus introduced to humans for the first time. I like to tell you not to worry too much, and it is simple to prove that you are safe and your beloved one from this virus. Firstly, clean your hands often. Secondly, cough and sneeze in your whenever, not on your hands. Then avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth, and your face. Don't forget to avoid close contact with a sick person. Then clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Moreover, limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Nowadays, all people are trying to stay home as much as they can. By this way, we can help to prevent this viral transmission, and vice versa. People may feel stressed, confused, sad, or depressed during this challenging time, but we can cope with them by doing many ways, such as phone or video chat with your friends, limit worries and agitation, and spend time with your family by watching movies or singing together. And now we need to be good in you, so do exercise, sleep regularly, and do meditation at home. And I think this is the best time to do your hobbies. The most important thing is to get the accurate information that will help you and take reasonable precaution. Okay, may all of you be healthy and happy till the escape time of coronavirus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chitra and I'm from India. Today I'm here to share my opinion on the impact of coronavirus on our nation, India. So right now we all are facing the 21-day lockdown, which is coming to an end on the 14th of April, but it might get extended as well. So as we all know, it's a very deadly virus, and no such virus has been identified in human previously. So I would say the impact is quite severe because it has brought not just India but the whole world to a complete halt. So the impacts include that the financial marketing has slowed down, the trade has dwindled, which has led the production houses to shut down, and then India, which is a country that has always attracted tourists, that has also completely cut off. So these are some major impacts that coronavirus had brought to our country. So the confirmed cases in India has risen to 6,761. So right now all we've got to do is stay at home and follow the precautions as given by the government. In such situations, unity is the only way to cure the disease. So please stay home, take precautions, maintain hygiene, because we should be thankful that we have a home and enough and more resources to keep ourselves safe and safe from this virus. But there are many people out there who are lacking the basic resources. Like we know the case of the migrant laborers who are unable to get back to their homes, and they are forced to walk from one state to another to get back to their homes. So please make good utilization of your time. This is the time for you to do the things that you have always wanted to do. Spend time with your family and learn many new things, and of course you can you can use this time for the betterment of yourself. So guys, please follow the precautions as laid by the government, and stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you.